A long thin metal tube of cross-sectional area 1 square centimeter is sealed into the top of a hollow cube of edge length 0.1 meter. Water fills the cube and extends upward a distance h into the tube. Find h if the water exerts a force of 1,000 newtons on the base of the cube. What is the weight of the water? So I've sketched the situation here. Here's the cube. Here's the tube welded into the top. And I've extended the tube down to the base. And there's a pressure at this point right here at the bottom of this extension of the tube. And we know using the variation of pressure with depth that P is going to be equal to P naught. P naught is the pressure at the top of the tube, atmospheric, plus the density of the fluid, water in this case, times the acceleration of gravity times the total depth, which is h, the height the tube extends above the cube, plus L, the height of the cube. And so what we really want is P minus P naught, because that's going to represent the pressure from the water alone. So P minus P naught is this term, and that has to be equal to the force divided by the area of the cube, the base of the cube, which is L squared. So I can solve this equation now, first of all, for h, first of all by multiplying through by L squared, which I do right here. And now we can solve for h. And that would look as follows. H is F minus density of water times the acceleration of gravity times the volume of the cube, L cubed, and divided by the density of water times the acceleration of gravity times L squared. Okay, so that is equal to 1,000 newtons minus density of water times the acceleration of gravity times the volume of the cube. Divided by the density of water, mass density of water, I should say, times the acceleration of gravity times the area of the base of the cube. And that comes out to be 10.1 meters. So this dimension here, from here to the point at which the water fills the tube, is 10.1 meters. The last part of the question, what is the weight of the water, is very simple. Just take the density of water times the volume of the cube plus the volume of the tube, and that will be the density, the weight of the water. Note that the weight of the water is not 1,000 newtons, it's way less than that.